Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be addressing you today. My name is Jeff Libby, and today I am here to talk to you about the top 5 benefits of owning your own medical office property. I am a commercial real estate attorney with the full-service business law firm of Libby, Sparks, Willis, Starnes, and I have spent the past 29 years navigating the intricacies of commercial real estate law. Today, I'm excited to discuss an important topic that intersects the realms of medicine and real estate: the substantial benefits of owning your own medical office property. As new doctors entering the profession, you have a myriad of decisions ahead, and one of the most impactful is where and how you will practice. Let's explore why owning your own medical office property can be a game changer for your career and your financial future. But first, let's talk about some preliminary considerations: leasing versus buying. If you are planning on practicing at a specific location for an extended period, purchasing real estate can be a wise decision. It secures the location long-term and can provide financial benefits that I will discuss later. On the other hand, leasing your space can be a good option if your primary concern is maintaining the flexibility to move where the market dictates or your patients are located, because leases are typically shorter-term commitments. Another important factor to think about is buying real estate is a commitment to a longer-term strategy that includes an opportunity for long-term appreciation, but also requires a successful practice. If the physician is not confident in the business's performance at a particular location, a lease may prove to be a safer move. Let's talk about benefit number 1: financial investment and building equity. When you own your medical office building, you're not just a tenant paying rent. You're making a substantial investment in your future. Each mortgage payment you make builds equity, turning your overhead costs into long-term assets. Over time, as the property appreciates, your initial investment can grow significantly, creating a robust financial safety net. In addition, you have the opportunity to leverage this equity for further investments, expansions, or even for retirement purposes. There are plenty of advantages to owning the practice's real estate, including control over occupancy, short-term and long-term appreciation, and building equity. Additionally, physicians won't have to worry about the inevitable rent increases attached to a lease. Before purchasing the property outright, a physician should consider the price of the real estate asset, which will vary by location and demographic trends. Going in hand with the purchase price, there are several responsibilities left to the owner, such as occupancy costs, maintenance and repairs, and renovations. All buildings age over time, so maintenance costs are necessary. For healthcare providers, relocation can be costly and complicated. Therefore, the property may need renovations to optimize the business with additional amenities, equipment, or updated infrastructure. Benefit number 2: control over your practice environment. Ownership grants you the ultimate control over your practice environment. You can design and modify the space to fit your exact needs without the constraints of a lease agreement. Need a specific layout for your practice? Want to install state-of-the-art medical equipment or create a serene waiting area for your patients? As the owner, these decisions are entirely yours. This level of customization can significantly enhance patient experience and operational efficiency, setting your practice apart from others. Benefit number 3: potential for additional income. Owning a business doesn't just serve your practice, it can also serve as a source of additional income. By renting out extra space to other healthcare providers or complementary businesses, you create a steady revenue stream. This not only helps offset your mortgage costs, but also diversifies your income sources. Imagine a physical therapy clinic, a pharmacy, or a diagnostic lab within your building. These tenants can create a synergistic environment, attracting more patients and providing comprehensive care under one roof. Benefit number 4, tax advantages. The tax benefits of owning commercial property are significant. Mortgage interest and property taxes are deductible, which can lead to substantial savings. Additionally, you can depreciate the building and its improvements over time, further reducing your taxable income. These deductions can be powerful tools for managing your finances, allowing you to reinvest savings back into your practice or other ventures. I strongly encourage you to discuss these advantages with your CPA early and often. Benefit number 5, stability and predictability. One of the most understated benefits of owning your own medical office building is the stability and predictability it provides. As an owner, you are not subject to the whims of a landlord who may decide to increase rent or sell the property. This stability allows you to plan for the long term, ensuring that your practice can grow without unexpected disruptions. Additionally, having a permanent location helps in building a strong brand presence and trust within the community, which is crucial for patient retention and referrals. Let me touch on a few legal considerations when purchasing. Number 1, the old adage, location, location, location. You need to think about the proximity to referral sources, the commute times of physicians and staff, as well as the ease of access by patients. Number 2, zoning. You will need to make absolutely sure that the applicable zoning for the property allows for your particular use. Number 3, title matters. Property can be subject to private restrictions among property owners, such as restrictive covenants, condominium restrictions, and other requirements. So it is vitally important for you to review all matters of title before you purchase a particular property. And lastly, sufficient parking. It is imperative that the property you own provides sufficient parking for everyone in your office, as well as all of your patients and other visitors. In conclusion, owning your own medical office building offers unparalleled benefits that can significantly impact your profession and your personal life. From financial growth and equity building to the freedom of customization, potential for additional income, tax advantages, and stability. Each of these benefits contributes to creating a thriving, sustainable practice. As new medical doctors, you have the unique opportunity to shape your career path strategically. By considering ownership of your medical office, you are not just investing in a property, you're investing in your future, your practice, and your peace of mind. In the same way you want your patients to have the best medical advice as they determine their treatment plan, I recommend that you get the best legal advice as you determine your real estate plans. I appreciate your time and attention today. I wish you all the best in your medical careers and your journey towards owning your own medical office property. If you have any questions or need further guidance, I'm here to help. Thank you.